as you may be able to tell, we are not in Tel Aviv, Pete.
Yeah,
where are we?
Jerusalem.
Where?
Jerusalem, Old City.
Yeah, Jerusalem Old City. Basically all we're doing today is Friday, it's Shabbat. Shabbat in about 3 or 4 hours. Shabbat is their Sabbath day, from Friday evening till Saturday evening. We're just going to have a walk around today, aren't we?
Yeah, to see what's where.
Yeah, just see what's where. We'll probably be walking past loads of sites, what mean more, which we'll find out later in the week. But today's just going to be a vlog filmed around the old city, maybe a bit of outside the old city, I don't know, we'll see. And a bit of food. So come with us. Have we look around Jerusalem for the first time. Just where we came in, the Jaffa Gate is the Tower of David and the Citadel. Tells you what's up there, the Western Wall, the Church of the Holy Sepulchre and Temple Mount. Big market street down here. We'll head down here. So it's coming up to nearly 1:30 in the afternoon and we're going to have something to eat, Pete, eh?
Oh, yes.
I can only just see you. Oh, that's better. We've stopped. Little stall. So it's come, the same as yesterday, but the falafels are really freshly cooked, which looks nice. Some gherkins extra, bit of salad. Yeah, we're looking really nice. Different sauce on it today, with the pita bread. Really nice. Let's go. And tuck in. There's little tunnels and junctions everywhere in this place. So carry on down there, turn right. Turn this way. When we head back down that way later on, Pete, all that will be shut because of Shabbat. What does this say up here? Welcome to the Jewish quarter. So I presume that was the Muslim quarter, Arabic quarter maybe?
Yeah.
With the way we was in.
That Jews.
In this old city of Jerusalem, from what I know, there is 4 quarters. There is the Jewish quarter, the Muslim quarter or the Arabic quarter, the Christian quarter and the Armenian Christian quarter. Or Armenian quarter. Just in this like city walled area, which isn't massive, you've got 4 big religions there. This is the old, what do you say, Pete? The old marketplace. Jewish quarter in still, so would have been the old marketplace. We're going to head to the Wailing Wall now. That's something you do see here. The soldiers walking about with guns. They'll be on the bus, they'll be on the train, they'll be walking on the street. And what they got in their hand? What is it? What kind of gun is it? Do you know?
No, but it's
bloody big.
Yeah.
It's a huge gun. You'll probably see that when I'm filming just walking the streets, you'll probably see them and I'll miss them and you'll see them with the guns. So we're coming onto the Western Wall, which is down there.
Yeah, but it's full of construction.
Вы будете подарками, пройдете.
You can see the line down the centre, men to the left, women to the right. In the corner, Pete, there is an actual door. Can you see it? Like a little cave.
Yeah.
When it rains, they can go in there. There's also, that's how you get to the tunnels, I think. But when it rains on the women's side, there is nowhere for them to go. They get wet through.
They only do it for men.
Yeah. Which is, and you know you wanted to go to that dome, that golden dome mosque thing.
Yeah.
That's the only way you can get there up there. And I think it's for 2 hours a day. You're only 2 hours a day. Obviously, you're not allowed inside the mosque. You're allowed in the grounds.
השער לצדק גבוה בר זה השער לאדוני וצדיקים יבוא בה
You ready to go walking there, Pete?
Oh yes.
Okay, let's go for a walk to the wall and have a look in the corner bit, yeah? So we'll walk down, Pete, where you see the guy in the white shirt. You have to get one of the...
Hats.
Yeah, I can't remember what they call them. They have got a name, haven't they? We wore them before in... Where did we wear it before? Dublin.
Dublin.
Dublin, when we went to the... round the Jewish quarter. Was it Dublin? Oh, we went Prague. Prague. We went round the Jewish quarter in Prague. Kept blowing off, didn't it?
Yeah. We do so many places we can't remember them.
You can see the white paper in all the little cracks. That's where everyone has wrote the letters and put them in.
וישמר אדוני את קולו העם ואת כל הרשעים ישכין אוי אוי תהילת אדוני ידבר פיו ויברך כל בשר שם קודשו לעולם ועד ואנחנו ברבייה ואדם אדוני ברבייה.
This is a quite surreal experience, to be honest. I'm going to tell you something now, Pete. What they do with all the letters is, I think, I'm not sure when, let's just say once a month, because it must get really full. They take all the letters and put them in people who are buried on Mount Olive, because when Christ, that's where he ascended to heaven, on Mount Olive, and they believe that's where if he's coming back to earth, that's where he comes back, Mount Olive, and there's a massive graveyard. So they put all the letters in there, so if he does come back, all the letters will be in that graveyard. That's why people are buried on there, and it costs a lot of money. Should we head inside, Pete?
Oh yes.
Oh wow. Oh, it's massive in here as well, it goes all the way down there. Oh wow. I didn't expect that to be that big. So you can just see at the end of this path the little daylight where we came in, and it continues inside. It's huge inside as well. Seems to be a little temple, I'm not sure what that is here. There's a library as well full of all the books. And birds, that's just amazing, absolutely stunning. I wonder why, if there's a difference between praying inside and outside. I wonder why you choose to pray inside. Maybe, I don't know, more private maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Until I come in with a camera.
Children,
Yeah.
Of children, maybe.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. And I wonder what that bit is, maybe you can tell us. What does that represent? We've just come out there, what do you reckon, Pete?
Yeah, really good.
Not seen anything like this before, have we? Never seen anything like this. This is something I've never seen before, something like this. What we're going to do is have a wander about. We're going to pop back later, because I have seen it when Shabbat's in full effect. This is full and people are having parties and, you know, just celebrating Shabbat. So we'll come back later and have a look, see if it's any different. Maybe even more of an experience. Let's go for a wander.
More people, yeah.
Yeah, let's go for a wander. Pete assures me we are now in the Christian quarter. Do not be put off by the Muslim call to prayer. Like we said, all of them are so close together, aren't they?
Yeah, so
It really is. It really is like a big square built into 4 quarters.
basically big city full of Moscow's churches and synagogues.
Yeah, it is. Yep, definitely in the Christian quarter now. So we've just come through this doorway. It leads on to one of the most religious sites in the world for a Christian. In front of us is the church where Jesus died. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre. In there is where the cross was put, or where he died. There's a big slab on the floor where his body was laid. Yeah, that's all in there. But we're not going in today, are we?
No,
because we have
one of the two.
we have a free walking tour in 2 days, I think. Yeah, 2 days. So we're going to go in there with that. So we're not going to do it. Also, what you have around you is the Via della Rosa. It's the actual route what Christ walked with the cross on his back. I'm not sure if it comes down there or down there. But they may show us that on the walking tour as well. So we're going to leave it. But yeah, this is the church where Jesus died, where Jesus was killed.
Leon, come here. Come here.
So this is the Damascus gate, entrance and exit to the old city in Jerusalem. So the time is now 4:20. We're going to head back to the Wailing Wall and see if, see if it's busier. And if it is, we'll hang around for a bit. So let's go. We'll head to the Wailing Wall, see if it's a little bit busier, and maybe get some more footage with them all celebrating the start of Shabbat. As you can see, we mentioned Shabbat. This is where we was earlier. You couldn't move, there was shops everywhere open. Shut. If you're unaware what Shabbat means, it means a Sabbath day. When the sun starts to set on a Friday until the sun sets on a Saturday. So roughly 4:30 till 6, something like that, isn't it? And it all shuts down, and that means you can't do anything. If you do the Sabbath, you can't turn the light switch on, you can't watch the television, you can't cook anything. That's what it means, stuff like that. You can't, it's just a complete Sabbath day. You can't do work with electrical stuff, you can't drive a car. So you'll find a lot of people cook stuff on the Friday to last a full day. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on YouTube very, very soon. Goodbye everybody.